Hi guys, it's Ray. I am starting a new cup today. I wanted to see what this glitter looks like over a purple base. It may end up looking the same as it did over the pink base. I'm not sure yet, so I was just curious. But I want to do it with the Tack It method this time, I think. So I'm going to put 2 layers of Tack It over and over, slightly watered down, on here to start, letting it dry in between coats. Then we'll apply the glitter. We'll see what it looks like before I burnish it, and then I will burnish it. So this is slightly watered down. And once it's dry, it will no longer be white. And I'll know I can move on to coat number 2. Okay, so there's no more white showing on the second coat. So I'm going to glitter it. And I'm going to be pretty heavy-handed here. I usually, with the Tack It, will just pounce the bottom of the cup right into the glitter. And if I have any blank spots, I will just roll them in the glitter. You don't get the same coverage with the Tack It as you get with your epoxy method or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to clean the glitter up in a second here, but definite color difference already. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and burnish it to lay the glitter down, and we'll see what we get. Okay, that is how it looks burnished. Not quite what I expected, but definitely beautiful. So we're going to get this over and we will get a coat of epoxy on it and see how it looks under epoxy. So one thing I forgot to mention is this glitter was an iridescent glitter, not a holographic glitter. So you're not going to get that rainbow effect you get with Tack It sometimes. It's still got that sparkle and shimmer from the iridescent, but it's a different look. So let's get this coat on, and then we'll be able to move on to what else we're doing with this one. And this should coat pretty smoothly with one thin coat because it's flat glitter. So I will be back when we're ready to move on. Hopefully you can see how pretty this is under the epoxy. The iridescent shining through. Okay, so this is dry and she is gorgeous. I'm going to switch to using this for this tumbler. I was originally going to use this, but I feel like it's almost too much purple, so I'm going to set these aside for something else. And I'm going to use this Lisa Frank Vibe vinyl for this one. So I just want to put a simple strip of the vinyl and the decal and just let it be. So I'm going to cut the decal off. I do have this on a regular decal somewhere too, a VC, but I'm going to use the one off my gang sheet, the DTF transfer. So I'm just going to trim it down. And there's no upside down, right side up. I'm not even going to measure, I'm just going to cut a strip off. We'll use the rest of that for the other one at some point. I'm feeling lazy, so I'm just going to wrap it over itself and mark it where I need to cut it. Mark it with I don't have a pen or a pencil here, apparently. And I may have just messed that up. Nope, it is perfect. It is just not straight the other way. How it's not straight, I don't freaking know. It's definitely that way that it is not straight. That's better. Okay. Okay, hinge method. As always, cut a little piece off. look at that. Back seam to the back. DTF, so you peel the backer off, or peel it partially if you're going to do the hinge method. This one really doesn't matter, so I'm going to put it at a little angle. And then you peel the top piece off. Ooh. And I just shredded that. Let's see if the whole edge does that or not. Nope. Just the side I chose to start on, of course. So, it's going to be a little chewed up on this edge. It is what it is. I can clean that up a little bit, but it's not going to be perfect. I'm just going to leave it alone. Nail tape. I kind of want this sky bluish color. I feel like I want something else, but I don't know what. No. I'm just going to leave it alone. I am going to put a tiny bit of the touch of neon in the top coat, though, just to give it a little extra sparkle over the vinyl, because I just feel like this one needs a lot of sparkle. I changed my mind. I'm going to use Touch of Violet on this one, because it's purple. So, just a dash. I'm going to watch that come around again, because I kind of have an idea for fixing where I just tore it, but I need to look and see if it'll work. I'm going to see if I can find gems that kind of match each color at the top of the rainbow. Gems or dots or something. Because there really is a fix for everything. Okay, so I'm going to torch this quick and then look for little jemmies and come back if I can find them, and we will get those poked on here. Okay, so I couldn't find exactly what I wanted for stones. I could only find small ones in a good rainbow. And the colors aren't exactly what I want, but it'll do. And I'm going to have to use 2 of each color. Maybe not. I feel like if I had the patience, I could do this all the way around. But I don't have the patience for that. Sticky. And this is going to end up needing another coat, so these are going to end up flatter looking, if that makes sense. And I think I want to put just a couple extras on, like maybe one at the start and one at the finish. Nothing too crazy. Which I may use one of each color. See, always a fix. You just have to sometimes climb out of the box. What do we think? It's still a little chomped there, but not nearly as bad as it was. I am perfectly happy with this fix. This cup suits my mood lately. So, yeah. Bring it up and we'll take a look. Ooh, she's trying to focus. I know, bad words aren't for everybody. I'm sorry if you don't like it. They're not all like this. There we go. So that is going to be it for this one. I will get the other coat on. Like I said, it will kill some of the sparkle on the rhinestones if I don't get the tops kind of epoxy free, but it'll be fine. It is what it is. And that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.